Hello, I am Anaitza Niceros and I'm working as a tutor for the Europe program at Eastwood Middle School. I'm studying mathematics at the University of Texas El Paso with a concentration in education and computer science. My advice for future high school students is to start taking college credit classes as soon as possible, since it would save you a lot of money and time in the future. And start thinking about which career you want to pursue at the college level. Right now in this video, we're going to discuss key points about the career of marriage and family therapy.
Marriage and family therapists diagnose and treat mental and emotional disorders, whether cognitive, affective, or behavioral, within the context of marriage and family systems, applying psychotherapeutic and family systems theories and techniques in the delivery of services to individuals, couples, and families for the purpose of treating such diagnosed nervous and mental disorders. Some of the responsibilities of marriage and family therapists are to ask questions that will help clients identify their feelings and behaviors, confer with other counselors, doctors, and professionals to analyze individual cases and to coordinate counseling services, and determine whether clients should be counseled or referred to other specialists in such fields as medicine, psychiatry, and legal aid. Marriage and family therapists also encourage individuals and family members to develop and use skills and strategies for confronting their problems in a constructive manner, maintain case files that include activities, progress notes, evaluations, and recommendations, and develop and implement individualized treatment plans addressing family relationship problems, destructive patterns of behavior, and other personal issues. Other important roles of marriage and family therapists are to provide instructions to clients on how to obtain help with legal, financial, and other personal issues, provide public education and consultation to other professionals or groups regarding counseling services, issues, and methods, and write evaluations of parents and children for use by courts, deciding divorce and custody cases, testifying in court if necessary. The level of education usually needed to become a marriage and family therapist is a master's degree. Marriage and family therapy majors are usually required to take courses in ethics, law, management, psychology, psychotherapy, and research methods. There are 149 schools in the United States that offer programs in marriage and family therapy. Some of the schools that offer the program in Texas are the University of Houston, Clear Lake, Texas A&M University in San Antonio, Texas Tech University, Texas Women's University, and King's University. There are many skills required to become a good marriage and family therapist. The most essential are active listening, which is giving full attention to what other people are saying, taking time to understand the points being made, asking questions as appropriate, and do not interrupt at inappropriate times. Social perspectiveness, which is being aware of others' reactions and understanding why they react as they do, and service orientation, which is actively looking for ways to help other people. Other essential skills required to become a marriage and family therapist are judgment and decision making, which is considering the relative cost of benefits of potential actions and choose the most appropriate one, good speaking skills, which are talking to others to convey information effectively, and good writing skills, which are communicating effectively in writing as appropriate for the needs of the audience. Marriage and family therapists need to be knowledgeable in therapy and counseling principles, methods, and procedures for diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitation of physical and mental dysfunctions, know human behavior and performance, psychological research methods, and the assessments and treatments of behavioral and affective disorders. Also, know the principles and processes for providing customer and personal services. The job of a marriage and family therapist requires being sensitive to others' needs and feelings and being understanding and helpful on the job, requires accepting criticism and dealing calmly and effectively with high-stress situations, and being pleasant with others on the job and displaying a good-natured cooperative attitude. Marriage and family therapists are required to be reliable, responsible, and dependable, fulfilling all their job obligations. The job requires maintaining good composure, keeping emotions in check, controlling anger, and avoiding aggressive behavior, even in very difficult situations. They are also required to be persistent in the face of obstacles. The median annual wage of a marriage and family therapist is of $54,090 per year. The median hourly wage of a marriage and family therapist is of $26 per hour, and the total number of marriage and family therapists employed nationally are 36,960. In summary, marriage and family therapists diagnose and treat mental and emotional disorders, whether cognitive, affective, or behavioral, within the context of marriage and family systems. The typical education level required for the career is a master's degree, and the skills required are active listening, social perspectiveness, service orientation, judgment and decision making, and excellent speaking and writing skills. The annual salary of the career is typically $54,090.